Museum here. We have these two with their little runs. Well, this is the National Museum ticket here, and this is a hop-on, hop-off sightseeing bus. So here we have this Heritage Unlocked. National Museum presents a special exhibition, an interactive and educational experience. These are the Ganjifa cards which are showcased here, and this is the National Museum's 64th Foundation Day. It is, and they write that immerse yourself in this unique exhibition and discover history through the creative and insightful activities crafted by the National Museum Itihas interns. Let their work inspiring you to see the museum as a vibrant space of learning, imagination and connection. And actually, I've just gone and seen the exhibition. It is beautiful. Itihas stands for Indian Traditions and Heritage Society. And when you get inside there, you will find that, of course, now what, and under this you have the interns. They are the one who do these programs, or they make you, they just go around schools telling them about this and spreading the word and talking about history. And the volunteers here today, if you see that they come for this exhibition and they explain to the crowd there, especially the children and the youth, about what it is. Now the exhibition is in different sections. You have the miniature paintings, the Harappan gallery, which I found very interesting was that they have actually the interactive seal making and the excavation activity. That I found very cute. They sort of showcases the instruments that are to be used and how you dig out, and they had these a lot of artifacts there, and they could just, you could use those tools and excavate these artifacts. So actually the word that they've used, it Heritage Unlocked, it really is meaningful. It's very good. And then you have the decorative arts hands-on gallery, where you have, these are the Ganjifa cards. I saw people coloring them, children coloring them, and of course I didn't see anything people doing for the seal making or something. Then there was one of the thing as hello dear friend, that was the Itihas section. Now let me again say, what is Itihas? It is Indian Traditions and Heritage Society. So they talked about what the school children have been doing. They showcase activities. And then what interested me also was the flag making section, in which they are the Tankhon making, that is peace and enlightenment activity. And then there are these Buddhist flags that you could see kids making based on whatever they wanted, like valor, strength, courage or bravery. So yes, and we had some volunteers there who explained the whole concept to us. Very nice. I think everybody should come, and it has been going on from 18 December and it'll be there towards, I think, January, mid-Jan, I think. Nice place to be in. Heritage Unlocked. And truly I had an educational experience here.